Today I'm going to walk you through what null objects are and why they're essential for learning After Effects and to speed up your workflow. A null object is basically an invisible layer in After Effects that is used to control other layers. It doesn't render in your final video and it doesn't show up on screen. Null objects can be used to store animation data, and because it's invisible, we use it for controls for other layers. To make one, just go up to Layer, Menu, choose New, then click Null Object. You'll see a small red square appear in the center of your composition. That's the null object. The main use of null objects is mainly used for parenting. For example, let's say we have these three layers, a text layer, a shape layer, and my logo here. We want to move them all together, but we don't want to animate them all individually. So instead of doing that, we can just parent each one of them to the null, and now whenever I move my null or rotate it or scale it up, all three of the layers follow whatever I do to the null object. Here's another example. Let's say you want an entire composition to have this camera shake effect. Instead of applying this wiggle expression to every single layer, just parent all of your layers to the null object, then apply the wiggle expression to the null's position. Now the null is controlling everything and your entire timeline has a wiggle effect, and it saved you so much time. If you're starting out, null objects can be a little confusing at first, but I would really take the time to learn them because animating 10 layers takes a lot less time than animating one null object. And that's how I use null objects in After Effects. If you like these arrows that I used in this video, they're available on my website in the link in my description. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.